Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. I have this. It is my fantastic new NARWAL. This is a robot vacuum cleaner and mop, and this thing is currently working on my laundry room to get up all the dirt and debris, go over the floor mats and whatever may be here. And this is a fantastic device that is not just mopping, but it is vacuuming, cleaning, and detecting the floors to see where there's dirt and debris. This is a next level product that goes ahead, self-cleans, empties out the dirt, and has everything you need for a beautiful clean. So let's go ahead, check it out, and kick it off with a fantastic video. Now, one of the things I like most is this maps out your entire house, and you can set it to clean just specific rooms. Me, I need it here in the laundry room more than anywhere. It will work with carpet, tile, wood, or whatever you may need, and you can see it is mopping, and then it vacuums up the water so it dries quickly. You can see it does a great job too of getting it clean. Now, unlike other mopping vacuums, this actually has a special solution to keep your floors looking beautiful. It goes ahead, mops the entire house, and ties into their fantastic app, which is probably one of the best apps in the industry. Now, I always tell people when you're going to install your NARWAL, go ahead, download the app, and then turn it on. Turn on your NARWAL, and it will connect so quickly and efficiently. Now, this thing does a great job of going throughout the room. And in this case, I just want it to do this one room. So it's going around, it's already vacuumed, and it's getting all that mopping in. It will even clean those mop heads when it's done, which means that you aren't cleaning the mop and messing with the stinky, smelly, no good water. And yeah, there's storage bins right in here. I'll show you. Boom. There's your clean water and your dirty water. And it has a touch control on top of the app, and it'll tell me what's going on. 8 minutes and 40 seconds into mopping. It vacuumed first. I have it on the vacuum and mop option, but there's all sorts. You can just vacuum, you can just mop, because NARWAL is that smart. Imagine if I was in here doing the work for 8 minutes and 40 seconds, cleaning and preparing this floor. No, I don't want to do that. I'm gonna let this do it, and it can do it while I'm at work. Now, on top of all that, this is an ultra quiet machine. You can hardly hear those wheels on the floor. Some are so loud with their big plastic wheels, those rubberized wheels, and that piano style white finish is beautiful. This whole thing is a work of art. So folks, let it do the work for you. You're going to love this fantastic product. All right, I got even more to tell you, but you see as it's working its way, it even docks itself, it charges itself. It's so smart, it's beautiful, efficient, spectacular, good looking, and look, it parallel parks. Folks, the NARWAL is the solution for me. I'm a big, big fan of this fantastic product. And yeah, it's going to clean itself. It's going to clean the brushes. It's going to clean out the dirty water. Let's see what it's up to. I'm gonna go ahead and swipe up here and see what it's doing. It says it's washing the mop. You hear it? How cool is that? How cool is that, folks? It's taking the dirty water, put it into the clean water, auto cleaner injection system, and it's going to make these floors shine. These old 20-year-old tile floors are gonna look great. Thanks to the good folks at NARWAL. NARWAL making great products time and time again, and I gotta tell you, this is an absolutely elite brand. So if you're looking for the best of the best, well, guess what, folks? This, you can't beat it. It'll beat the rest. And look how clean these floors got. All right, folks. I'm gonna ask you to stick around. We've got so much fun stuff here. But this NARWAL mop is absolutely fantastic. Takes the work out of cleaning, and you're gonna love it. One thing that's fantastic is that it has a removable tray for cleaning. So other robot vacuums don't have the removable tray, making cleaning a lot harder. On top of that, it uses LiDAR, and I really do like that it's got this, you can empty out the dustbin right here. Just that easy. So that's a fantastic aspect as well. All right, some of the other things has Freo mode, which is going to be great for automatically detecting the amount of dirt. It has special technology to find those dirt traps in corners and go hit those for you. The Freo mode is patented to make sure that you're getting your house clean and even those hard to find dust spots like this. And yeah, this is a great design for a great robot. They are doing great things here. Check out the Freo mode, the carpet cleaning, and it even dries the mops on its own, automatic, which is fantastic as well. And of course, some mops require you to replace physical parts on the device before they'll work. This isn't the case. It's all compact, you never have to swap out physical parts. All right, folks. This is the NARWAL Freo robot vacuum and MOP. I'll show you what's inside now. I love that NARWAL, they do a great job with their materials, their written materials. Everything is full color, written in English by English speakers. You know, they're just above and beyond. Great diagrams inside, and they just pack plenty of punch. Well, here we are with the NARWAL itself. I'll show you this guy up close and personal. This is a sturdy product, high quality materials, and expertly packed for your use. All right. But yeah, if you're looking for something that's above and beyond when it comes to overall quality, well, guess what? You're not going to beat this company. Gotta peel that back to get it off. There we go. And look at that piano white finish there. That is gorgeous. They really do a great job of producing great quality and great looking stuff. See how it's expertly packed to make sure that it's going to come to you in great condition. Inside, it's got the app information as well as your bin right there, a brush to clean it out, everything you need. Flip her over and you've got the dual mop heads. That's nice. And you've got the dual brushes. Whoops. Blue's on this side. The purple's on this side. What am I, colorblind? And it'll go like that. Boop. And then you've got the orange. Will go like this. Rubberized wheels. Easy to clean out this. Clean out the brush. You can take that out. Clip it back in. And you're good to go. Without a word to say, folks. So yeah, I like the rubberized wheels and the shocks. That's going to keep it ultra quiet. This is going to keep your floors clean. And at NARWAL doing it again and again with high quality products. This is the Freo. And again, it's a vacuum and mop, which means it's going to really exceed expectations. Some of the cool things about this is it's got contamination detection, it's got the carpet cleaning, it's got the Freo mode, separate the dry and the wet cleaning. It's got the scheduled cleaning, which you can do on their fantastic app, customized cleaning sequences if you just want to hit certain areas or certain, you got that spot you want to hit. And the detachable washable cleaning tray, so you can swap that out as well. It's got great obstacle avoidance. And of course, NARWAL is a premier brand. That means that they're doing their best to really exceed the rest. Now, the whole thing comes with the robot, the base station, the mopping module, 2 of them, the side brushes, 2 of them, the power cord, the special formulated cleaner, the water tank. The base station is fantastic. And of course, you've got the automatic cleaner. Now, the app is easy to use, and that makes a difference that it's easy to set up as well. All right, now I'm going to hand this over and show you kind of the base station. All right, folks, I also want to show you the docking station up close and personal. Now, I like that it has kind of your screen, your touch screen here. The robot vacuum is actually in the other room right now, and it's working on my bathroom and it's relocalizing as it does that. Now you've got the clean water, the dirty water, and of course in here there's your solution over on the side to where it gives you a real clean. Now we have done some cleaning already. There's a little bit of dirty water in there, a lot of clean water still, and that's fantastic. This is a nice piano finish to it. You just plug it in, easy to move, straightforward, and looks good. Like, this isn't really an eyesore by any means. Now, it does have a very easy to use touch screen. Tells you how long it's been cleaning, what it's up to, and you can program and start it. So this is designed by NARWAL, and I'm just a big fan of the company. Your robot vacuum will dock right inside, like you've seen previously in the video. This is absolutely the best of the best, folks. Get it so you can forget the rest. All right, my name is Adam, Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products we absolutely love, and guess what? This is the bee's knees, the cat's pajamas, and of course the cat's meow. You're gonna love it. I love it. Everyone loves it. Watson loves his, and yeah. Go ahead and get yours. This is great about cleaning, whether it's rugs, tile, or wood floors. You can select which type of floor it cleans with. The app, which we've probably showed you at least once or twice in an overlay, is so straightforward. You can have it do particular rooms, particular spots, particular areas, in different types of floors. So folks, again, I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. You're gonna love this. All right, folks, here's a little post-video feedback. I've been using this for about a month now. Real big fan, definitely like it, and I definitely get up the dog hair, and I'm able to clean my floors very well. I love how this maps out the entire kitchen. I love how it maps out certain zones in different areas, and you can tell it just to do the big areas. For me, my kitchen needs mopping, and my bedroom, because the dog sleeps in there, needs a vacuuming pretty often. So what makes this a great vacuum? Now, I love that these mop pads are easy to use and do a really good job of spinning and scrubbing in and getting the dirt. Now, something that I learned about this is the first time you use it, don't get upset if it takes a minute to map your entire house. This is a very thorough vacuum cleaner that wants to go ahead and map out all the little nooks and crannies so it can be most efficient. So the first time you use it, it may take a little longer because it's mapping and mapping and mapping, but once it's done mapping, it's gonna do a great job of vacuuming and mopping and mapping. That's what it does best. Now, it's easy enough to go ahead and clean this out. You have to clean out the brush every once in a while. I would say probably, just based on this, every 6 months or so, you're gonna wanna go ahead and clean out the brush head to make sure that you're getting a full cleaning experience. And I've had a great experience with this getting up dog hair, which is important to a lot of us. I've got a dog and now a cat, and the dog seems to shed a lot. I really do, as I said earlier, I like the almost like white, piano white, I'm calling it, of the finish, and the fact that this thing is just so intelligent. The app is very user-friendly as well, and remember to get that app from your app store, whether it's Google or Apple, you're gonna get it real easily. Now, the bin itself, the dirt bin, you're gonna wanna empty out, and look at this. It does a great job with the pet hair. And I also say, I love the fact, you gotta peel it back here, is the filter. This keeps your air nice and clean too. Not a lot of vacuums do a great job filtering. This keeps the air fan-dang-tastic. All right, if you're looking for something that's a great vacuum, this is great. It's also one of the most quiet, one of the quietest vacuums. You can hardly hear it rolling across this glass. This should be loud. And on top of that, the suction on this thing is stellar, which means that you're getting up all the dirt and debris. You don't have to worry about if it sees, say, popcorn seed, something like that. It's gonna get it with no problems. So, we've showed you a lot of overlays. We've showed you some of the mapping on this is fantastic. It's able to quickly identify where it's at and do a lot of cool stuff there. The power on and off is right here if you need it there. Just hold the button down for 3 seconds for power on and off and click to clean the whole house. It's just that easy, folks. So even though I've had it now for a month, still in love with it. It's a fantastic product. If your question is, should you? The answer is you should. It's fantastic. All right, for real. Goodbye, my friends.